Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in Instagram. But before I will start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's go. Instagram. You can earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling your products or services, and becoming an influencer in a specific niche. Sponsored posts. Brands recognize your influence and pay you to create and share posts that showcase their products or services. These posts are often tailored to fit your style and resonate with your followers. As an influencer, your authentic endorsement adds value to the brand's marketing efforts. This is a way to monetize your influence and reach on the platform. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you partner with companies and receive unique tracking links. When your followers purchase products through these links, you earn a percentage of the sales as a commission. Sharing genuine recommendations and explaining the benefits of the products can encourage your followers to make purchases, benefiting both you and the company. Sell products. Setting up an online shop on Instagram allows you to showcase and sell your own products or items from other businesses. You can create visually appealing posts and stories to highlight the products, provide details, and include a link for purchasing. This way, you directly monetize your creativity and entrepreneurship. Influencer marketing. Building a niche following based on your interests, expertise, or passions can attract brands seeking to reach a specific audience. These brands may approach you to collaborate on promotional campaigns. This symbiotic partnership involves you creating content that seamlessly integrates their offerings into your posts, helping brands tap into your engaged followers. Engagement and follower growth. Building a strong engagement rate and steadily growing your follower count is essential for maximizing your earnings on Instagram. Brands often look for influencers with an engaged and active audience, as they are more likely to have a positive impact on their campaigns. Choosing the right partnerships. When considering sponsored posts and collaborations, it's important to choose partnerships that align with your personal brand and resonate with your audience. Authenticity is key, and promoting products or services that genuinely appeal to your followers can enhance your credibility and maintain trust. Effective promotion strategies. For affiliate marketing and selling products, employing effective promotion strategies is crucial. Crafting compelling captions, using high-quality images or videos, utilizing relevant hashtags, and engaging with comments can significantly boost the success of your promotional posts. Creating a visual aesthetic. Instagram is a visual platform, and maintaining a consistent and appealing aesthetic can help attract and retain followers. A visually cohesive feed enhances your brand identity and makes your profile more appealing to potential followers and brands. Utilizing stories and highlights. Instagram stories provide an excellent way to share time-sensitive content, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and quick promotions. You can also use highlights to curate and showcase important content, such as product launches, tutorials, or reviews. Engaging with your audience. Regularly interacting with your followers through comments, direct messages, and live sessions fosters a sense of community. Responding to questions, acknowledging comments, and actively engaging in conversations can strengthen your relationship with your audience. Analyzing performance. Keep track of the performance of your sponsored posts, affiliate links, and product promotions. Instagram's insights and analytics tools can help you understand what works best for your audience, enabling you to refine your strategies over time. Continuous learning and adaptation. The landscape of social media is ever evolving. Staying informed about trends, algorithm changes, and emerging features can help you stay ahead of the curve. Adaptation is key to maintaining relevance and sustaining your income-generating efforts. By combining these strategies, you can effectively leverage Instagram as a platform to earn money, create valuable partnerships, and turn your passion for content creation into a rewarding online venture. Remember that success on Instagram takes time, dedication, and a commitment to providing value to your audience and partners. That's for today's video, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can't miss our latest upload.